Namaskar all of you. So this is a batch notification for new batches, both classroom and online, for civil services and forest services, which is going to start at Cuttack and Bhubaneswar Center from 25th January, that is Monday. The details, if you want in PDF, in the description section of this video you can find the PDF. You can go through all the results and all. I will directly go to the main features of the integrated batch and what are the advantages of joining this batch. So first one is personal guidance. Since the batch size is limited, so we take care of each and every student of the integrated batch. Next, the duration of the course is 1 year. That means in 1 year we complete the course, but these are till success courses, means till you crack the exam you can continue in the new batches, and you don't have to pay any extra course fee for that. Whatever course fee is there you pay in the first year itself, and then till success, irrespective of any limit of time, you can continue with the courses. Okay, in the new batches also you can continue. So small batch size of 20 students per batch to ensure writing skill development, and especially for UPSC, I'll tell you that later, we have special writing classes also, exclusive study materials and test series, most cost effective education, and you can go through our results, excellent previous results. Even if you are joining in the classroom batch, all the videos or all the classes are recorded. Even if you are missing some classes, you will not miss any content. Okay, so all classes are provided through a video as well, so no chance of missing your classes. Special answer writing batch for UPSC by UPSC qualified research person that we are having in GS and for sociology. So the sir who is taking the class, Mishra sir, he has qualified UPSC civil service exam 3 times, and he is taking the classes sociology on Wednesday and general studies excuse me, and general studies on Saturday and Sunday. Next, study room and library facility, that is also available. So integrated batches, this is for entire January. Already 11th and 18th we have started, and 25th, the batch of 25th, that is on Monday, that will be starting. So both this will be for classroom as well as online. Okay, in the online classes, some of the classes will be live, some of the classes will be recorded and will be provided to you after 24 hours. What are the inclusions? So it includes your general studies, your optional papers and compulsory papers. Compulsory papers, English, Odia, essay. For UPSC we are also offering Hindi as an Indian language. Okay. Next, daily, weekly and monthly tests, study material, textbooks and test series, that is included in your course fee. You have classes all 7 days a week, and as I told you earlier, the repeaters batch is free of charge till success. Okay, after 1 year, means after the course completion, till you crack the exam you can continue. So the optionals that we are offering now: geography, political science and IR, public administration, psychology, sociology, home science, education, agriculture, history and forestry. These are the optionals currently being offered. So e-learning batches are also available, those who cannot come to Cuttack or Bhubaneswar. So for you, e-learning batches are also available. Advantage of e-learning batches: you can study according to your own pace. You can study in the safety of your home. The same facilities including printed study materials as classroom students. Same material, printed material, which is given to students of the classroom program, that the same material is given to the e-learning students also. Okay. Sometimes what happens in some places, the e-learning students will only get PDFs, soft copies. Okay, but here same material you are getting in hard copy. Next, it is quite cost effective because it is half the fee of the classroom batch. Okay. So now we come to the course fee. So the integrated classroom batch, that is rupees 40,000 for GS, essay and compulsory, if you only want to take GS and essay and compulsory. For each optional, if you want to take separately, each optional is 25,000. So this is for the classroom batch, I am saying, for the regular batch, daily class. If you are taking the entire, that is all the papers, that is rupees 80,000. This is inclusive of the UPSC writing practice batch, because that batch is a separate batch. Those who want to join that batch separately also, you can join. Already I have made a video on that, you can see the pricing and all. Okay, so this is basically, if you're taking the entire course, it is 80,000. Okay, and if you are paying lump sum, then you can check with the office. Okay, there will be some waiver in case you are paying for in lump sum. In case you are paying in installments, you can pay in 4 installments of 20,000 each. Okay, and books accordingly will be given after the installments. Okay, those who want to come in the weekend batch, that is from Monday to Friday, all the classes that will be accessible to you through videos, and Saturday Sunday you will come to the class and you will study in the class. So that is 50,000 prelims, main and optional. So videos of all regular classes Monday to Friday, and Saturday Sunday you come and attend the class. Same study material and test series as for integrated regular batch. Okay, course fee for the online batch or the e-learning batch, that is 40,000. For the weekend batch it is 50,000, that is pre, mains and optionals, because Saturday and Sunday they are having, okay, the classes, classroom program, they can come and attend. Online batch it is rupees 40,000, prelim, mains and optionals. So videos of all the regular classes Monday to Friday, Sunday contact classes twice a month, so that will be notified, and same study material and test series as for integrated regular batch. What are the study materials you will get? 14 books of GS which will cover prelims, mains and compulsory, and for each optional you will get 2 books which will cover your syllabus for the optional. Test series for prelims, you are having 70 tests, 60 for paper 1 and 10 for paper 2, and 40 tests for main. This is the classroom test I am saying. This is different as compared to the other external test series which we have. Okay, so that access also will be given to you. Along with that, these are the classroom test series. Okay, then optionals, 30 for each optional, then daily test for prelims and mains. Okay, so that is also done. After a chapter is completed, we have chapter wise test also. So any doubts or any queries, you can address it to me. You can WhatsApp me at 9437002210, or you can call me at 76840-54656. That is Bhubaneswar Center. You can call Cuttack Center also at 732-590-4599. So the next batch is starting on Monday, that is 25th January, both and Cuttack and Bhubaneswar. For the timing of the class, you can get in touch with the office. They will be telling you the timing. Okay, at Bhubaneswar it is starting at 8 AM and we are starting with international relations, and in Cuttack it is also starting at 8 AM. Okay, and we are starting with economics. Okay, so this would be the subject distribution for the 25th January batch. So I wish you all the best. Thank you.